Hey, this is Photography Bonsai. Today I'm taking a look at this UURig cage for the Canon M6 Mark II. Here it is right here, the main component. Let's take a closer up look before we put it on. Got some rubber here for where the tripod connection goes. This area is for the battery door. In the bottom there is an open area. You can use here is this included little piece that locks in there with a magnet. So you'll always have something to be able to undo or tighten the screw, which is nice. But you could always put a little bit of tape there if you want for extra protection. But they also included a hex tool if you want to use that instead. Tripod connections that you can use, 3/8 and then 2/4 20s. Here we have a rail for Arca Swiss style mounts, which is nice. A bunch of 1/4 20 connections. On top here you also have two guide screws with the UURig style for connecting special types of setups with the 3/8. Same here, and cold shoe mount on the side, cold shoe mount on the other side. The fit and finish is nice, clean, there's no sharp edges. The actual paint has a little bit of texture to it, which is good. So it's slightly matte finish. For some reason they included a few stickers, this little check pass. It's pretty simple to add the camera, get it relatively aligned, and then use one of the things to connect it. Just scratch the paint a little bit with this. So you have to be careful. There's nice extra little guide areas to keep the camera straight, but it doesn't block anything, which is good. Grip side, slightly larger grip, which might be good for you depending on what you want. I wouldn't say it's super comfortable, at least for my hands. This bar here, it's pretty small, and it makes it slightly more difficult to use this dial. Overall, really nice fit for the camera. So you're thinking, why would you want to use something like this? Well, obviously you can get a larger grip, get some protection for the camera, but also it's meant for rigging. You can attach different devices. In this case, I have another UURig accessory grip, and it's got the two UURig locator pins on there. So now you've got a camera with extra grip on there. Smoother for the video to have a different type of grip on there. Check it out like that. It works. Use other accessories. In this case has the locator pins on this little adapter. It can connect to the top, so it gives you something else to connect onto the cage, so you're not putting any type of weight or anything else on the camera itself. Here's an example of the Arca Swiss connection being used. Got the rail on one side, other side it's just angled to the proper degree, which works, and it's quick to release when you need to. Just go like that, boom. Or of course you can use the holes on the bottom for standard tripods. Here's a better look at the cage on the camera without a lens. It's just easier to see how it's all set up, but nice good amount of area around the lens that you're not going to have an issue connecting things. Overall, it's a really nice cage, feels solid, good fit. My main complaint maybe is the grip isn't as comfortable as I would like based on my hands and preferences, but besides that, works nice. Anyways, I'm Photography Bonsai. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.